Hello friends, myself NM Gogre from Electrical Engineering Department KK Polytechnic Nashik. Today we have discussed about protective relay. Yes, what is meant by relay? Relay is a protective device that detect the fault and initiate the operation of the circuit breaker to isolate the defective element from the rest of the system. Relay is a switch which sends the fault in system that and once fault is sensed by relay, it issue trip command to the circuit breaker and circuit breaker to isolate the faulty section of the network from the healthy section. That is, relay detect the abnormal condition in power system. The circuit breaker, it gives the signal to the circuit breaker and circuit breaker opens under fault condition. Figure show the basic principle of relay operation. And a relay senses the abnormal condition by continuously monitoring electrical quantities which are different from healthy and faulty section. The electrical quantity which may change during the fault condition are voltage, current, frequency and phase angle. That is, if fault occur in power system, there is change in voltage, current, frequency and phase angle. If one or more electrical quantity change, that signal the presence, type and location of fault to the relay. After detecting the fault condition, relay pickup its contact will change from NO to NC. Yes, NO means normally open and NC means normally closed. So we can write up a particular kind of relay contact to breaker tripping circuit. So whenever the relay pick up, the tripping of breaker will take place. A simplified relay circuit shown in figure. There are two coil. This is trip coil and this is relay coil. Figure shows one of the three phase system for simplicity. As shown in figure, the current transformer secondary winding is directly connected to the relay coil. Under normal condition, the current through the relay coil is not sufficient enough to pull the plunger and close the circuit of the breaker tripping coil. That is, under normal condition, there is no current flowing through the relay coil. That's why this plunger does not operate. Notice here that the breaker tripping coil is responsible for the tripping of circuit breaker. If trip coil or breaker fails, when tripping of breaker will not take place. This is the reason two trip coil of breaker fails, then the tripping of breaker will not take place. Two trip coil are normally provided in circuit breaker to get the reliable operation of breaker. Not only two trip coil are provided in circuit breaker, rather a trip coil monitoring relay is also used. If in case of fault, if it is happen to be any open circuit in trip coil, then the trip coil supervision relay will be flagged to attract the attention of the operator. In case of fault, the current through the circuit current transformer secondary will go up, which will cause increased current through the relay coil. If it happens that the current through the relay coil exceed the setting value of pickup value, then the coil will get produce sufficient magnetic pull to the plunger and thus the plunger will complete the circuit breaker trip circuit. As soon as the circuit breaker trip circuit is complete, current will start flowing in the trip coil, which in terms will pull a lever to trip the circuit breaker. That is, this plunger is get downward direction and it complete the circuit of trip coil. In the figure, it is shown that the relay coil is directly pulling the plunger to complete the breaker trip coil circuit but in actual practice, the relay coil when pickup will change its contact status. Let us say relay normally open, that is normally NO, contact is wired to the breaker trip coil circuit. Therefore, when the relay coil is de-energized state, the circuit of trip coil of circuit breaker is not complete and hence no tripping of circuit breaker. During fault condition, as the current through the relay coil exceeds the pickup value, the relay coil will get actuated, which in turn will force its contact to change over. That is, normally open contact will change to normally close, thereby the closing the trip coil of circuit breaker. Thank you.